Energy giant Centrica has increased capacity at the UK's largest gas storage facility, Rough, which is located 18 miles off the East Yorkshire coast in the North Sea. This means that it can now store enough gas to heat 2.4 million homes over winter, providing half of the UK's total gas storage. It comes as energy prices for households are set to drop from Saturday due to a decrease in Ofgem's energy price cap following a fall in wholesale gas prices. Meanwhile, the National Grid has said it will keep a scheme called the Demand Flexibility Service, DFS, to help prevent blackouts this winter. The initiative pays households to turn off main appliances at times of peak demand.